Project assessment piece created by Jasmine Bautista, Marnie Copeland, and Sandra Pazaridis. I would like to acknowledge the traditional owners, the first Australians, of the land where I live. I would like to pay my respects to elders past, present and future, and welcome other first Australians to country. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people are advised that this document may contain images and voices of people who are deceased. What is sustainability? Sustainability means to maintain the world we live in. We need to act responsibly so that the Earth's resources can support future generations. We need to care for the environment, reduce our waste, recycle, and find renewable resources to sustain our society. How did Indigenous communities manage the environment before settlement? They created parks. They used fire to clear land and manage their environment. They used the land to dig for yams and tubers and plant harvests. They created forests as habitats for the animals that they hunted. They created a deep knowledge of the animals and the plants around them. Early colonisation wiped out Indigenous grain areas, introduced weeds choking native plants, and did not permit ritual burning of land, creating bushfire hazards. Why is place important? It is important to care for our place because our place is important to us. We all value places for different reasons. These can be things like memories, family, friends, or fun. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people feel a connection to country. They value place because it is part of who they are. Culture, land and nature are all linked. Places we value hold a special place in our hearts and we want to protect them. People use Earth's resources for many different things. For example, farming, development, mining and food. Some resources are renewable and some are not. One example of a natural resource is coal, which is mined to be used for electricity. Coal is a non-renewable energy source. There are some energy sources that are renewable that we could use instead. A renewable energy source that we could use for electricity is solar energy. Solar energy turns the light from the sun into electricity. Solar power can be used for electricity in houses, cars, boats, lights, and even on calculators. Solar energy is a sustainable energy source. It does not create pollution and is renewable. Waste management. We chose waste management for our inquiry project. We decided to ask our principal if our whole school could do nude food. This is food without packaging. This will reduce the stuff that goes in rubbish bins and reduces landfill. We made posters and put them up around the school. We asked every grade if they wanted to participate. They looked something like this. They showed people what to pack in their lunches and what to avoid. Hopefully this should reduce our litter in our bins.